This is the Lionel 3-rail O-scale Vision Line Santa Fe 21010-2 steam locomotive. This model was first offered by Lionel in their 2010 Volume 1 catalog with a retail price right at $2,250. The model you're seeing here is a reissue that Lionel offered in 2021, by which time inflation had caused the retail price to rise to $2,500. This model has the automatic swinging bell and the whistle steam smoke effect, and while these features are commonplace today, when the model debuted in 2010, they were cutting edge.